Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction as well as astrology related videos. If you guys are into such videos, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. So this video is going to be for the Capricorn for the third week of the August. So before starting the reading, those who are interested in personal readings, you guys can contact me through my email ID, which is already there in the description. So Capricorn, in this reading, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the reading putting some final advice for you, Capricorn. In the recent past, we have the Hermit, Queen of Pentacles, the Fool. In the present, we have the Temperance, Ace of Cups, Knight of Swords. In the near future, we have Queen of Wands, the Devil, Eight of Pentacles. So the challenge for the week, Capricorn, is Seven of Pentacles. So the challenge for the week, Capricorn, here I do see you guys are investing upon something, or there's a chance you are trying to work your best. Maybe if you are in a relationship, then there is you investing a lot in the relationship. Maybe you are investing out of your limits. You have to try to save your energy for some or the other reason. Maybe this is the card is showing you guys that you're investing too much during this time, and kind of just wait for the result. Just be patient and let the result come out on its own. That's the challenge. Let me clarify in a moment. In the recent past, there's a Hermit, there is a Queen of Pentacles, there is a Fool. You could be dealing with a Virgo in the recent past, where this person was actually completely was thinking about some sort of thing, or this person was completely in their head, or this could be you also, Capricorn. Someone took a risk here in the recent past. Someone just came out of your head after thinking a lot and decided to take an action. Someone just jumped into something in the recent past. In the present, there is Temperance, there's the Ace of Cups, there is Knight of Swords. There's a person coming your way, could be a air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person is offering you an emotional connection here. Many of you, I do see you are patiently analyzing the situation here. You're taking time and analyzing what is this person is all about. You are keeping calm and actually taking time. That's what I see here. Maybe there's a challenge is all about you have to keep waiting for the result. Maybe don't rush all the time. In the near future, there is a Queen of Wands, there is a Devil, there is the Eight of Pentacles. You could be dealing with a fire sign in the near future. Capricorn could be a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, where someone is trying to work a lot. Someone is trying to put 100% of their effort in the relationship. Someone is trying very hard to work out with a person in the near future. I do feel this is you, Capricorn, who is going out of your limits in order to get what you want. I'm going to clarify the challenge for the week, Capricorn. The Seven of Pentacles, you guys are investing on something here. So Seven of Pentacles for Capricorn, the challenge for the week. The Seven of Pentacles is clarified by the Queen of Swords, Wheel of Fortune. There is Two of Cups. Okay. You could be dealing with the air sign also. You're dealing some business with them. Maybe someone maybe came into your life. There's a chances there's a person could be coming your life during the third week of the August. This person is bringing you a brand new opportunity here. Brand new opportunity, maybe related to your love life, maybe related to emotional connection. There's a challenge, right? You have to invest upon this connection. Maybe there's a challenge for you, Capricorn. You have to not reject this offer which have been made for you. I think this is something which will change. Wheel of Fortune is always something big. This is not like an Ace of Pentacles. This is something big opportunity, Capricorn, coming your way. Could be a emotional connection with someone. Maybe you have been waiting. You had this person in your head from a long time. Finally, there is an opportunity which is coming for you, Capricorn. So I see you guys are investing on it, or you have to invest on this opportunity. There's a challenge, right? Okay. In the recent past, there is the Hermit, there's the Queen of Pentacles, there is the Fool. Someone just came into your life in the recent past. I'm going to clarify, there's a message also for you, Capricorn, in the recent past. So I'm going to clarify the Fool. Someone came, I do feel someone just came into your life in the recent past. The Fool is clarified by the Three of Pentacles, the Moon. There is a Fool. Okay, there is a two Fool. Definitely there was someone who took a risk in order to come to you, in order to speak to you, maybe Capricorn, in order to, you know, have some conversation, maybe regarding a situation which was hidden from them. Maybe this is something you don't know, you didn't know this happened. This person came into your life, and the intention of this person, many of you didn't know it. Yes, there was a person who came into your life with took a risk. Someone new, okay, they just wanted to work out with you, but for many of you the situation was unknown. Why everything, why did this person come? Everything was like a secret. In the past you didn't really keep your mind towards that person. That was the situation. Okay, I'm gonna clarify the Hermit. Someone was actually thinking deeper in the recent past. Someone was so deeply thinking about certain situation. There was all about they had about this in their head. The Hermit is clarified by the High Priestess, the Four of Pentacles. There is 10 of Cups. Yes, I do feel someone in the recent past had wanted to have emotional connection with you, wanted to have this family card. I do consider this 10 of Cups as a family card, one of the family card. Yeah, it is like emotionally one you can this person was trying to keep you in their head. Maybe this person wanted to have an emotional connection with you, all they wanted to share with you, but someone didn't express in the recent past. Someone was like hiding their emotions to themselves, just keeping secrets for themselves in the recent past. Yes, many of you, the situation like ended up, maybe you wanted to share with them something, just you ended up being silent, and that person kept so secrets with you. The situation was like so silent. The situation was like no one expressed in the moment. Maybe you kept on too silent. You hold on, or you started to hold on all your emotions to yourself because this person presented the way in such a way in the recent past. There's a direct message for you with the Queen of Pentacles in the recent past. Capricorn, there's a direct message regarding this person. The Queen of Pentacles is clarified by the 10 of Wands, Knight of Wands. There's Ace of Wands. This person was there in the recent past because in order to remove all their stress, maybe this person was feeling so stressful. Maybe this person was going through wanted to end this stressful situation in the past. Okay, it was like this person felt, if you are already in relationship with such person, then this person was feeling, I am the one who is putting all the effort. They wanted to have some clarity with you, which didn't happen in the past. Many of you, it's like you too wanted to clear some of the things which was hidden from you. Even you ended up being silent. Something happened and even that person ended up being silent. That was the situation. Nothing went well in the past. In the present, there is the Temperance, this Ace of Cups, there is a Knight of Swords. Someone is coming into your life. Capricorn here could be an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. There is a new opportunity of love connection. I'm going to clarify the Ace of Cups here. There is a new opportunity of love for you, Capricorn. Ace of Cups is clarified by the Empress, Ace of Cups itself, and Four of Wands. So Capricorn, those who are single, this is a fresh connection coming your way. Okay, this is something with whom you can have your family. This is someone who nurtures you. This is someone who cares for you. This is a brand new opportunity. Okay, this person is here to have a family with you. It's a real family. Okay, this person wants to have emotional connection and build up something with you. They want to create together. They see growth in you, Capricorn. This person is here offering you a lot of stability, a lot of strong connection in the present situation. I do see you guys are patiently taking a decision regarding the situation. I'm going to clarify the Knight of Swords. Who is this person coming into your life? Could be a air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person is like doing everything, expressing everything in their behind. Knight of Swords is clarified by the King of Cups, the Three of Cups, the Two of Pentacles. I do feel like this person is actually deeply in love with you, but this person is not showing it in front of you, or this person is very bad at expressing their feelings. I'm getting a message like that here, Capricorn. This person want to have a reunion. Someone could be from the past. This person is here to bring some celebration, to bring some get together, bring some happiness. I do see that you guys are deciding regarding this person in the present situation. Yeah, this person is offering, maybe you to have emotional feelings for you. Many of you Capricorn, in the present situation, you do want to get back to this person, but you guys are still deciding. That's what I see here. Though there is a brand new opportunity itself presenting in front of you, but still you guys are deciding, analyzing the situation. I'm going to clarify the Temperance. I do feel this is you, Capricorn, who is taking time in order to decide regarding this person, regarding the opportunity which has made for you. The Temperance is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. There is a Hermit, Eight of Swords. Yes, you guys are actually keeping it in your head. When you have to act upon the situation, when you have to decide something, you are like going solitude, going isolation. What should I have to do? What should I have to do? You're being too much in your head. Okay, maybe this thing is making this person to feel not so comfortable with you. Maybe this person, this opportunity is bringing you some uncomfortness. There is something you need to take action, but it's a resisting. There's a resisting energy also in the present situation. Maybe you are taking it too seriously, and maybe it's like you have some other issues, or this could be a brand new opportunity. There could be another option in your life, Capricorn, where you are deciding in the present situation, but it's kind of telling you that it's a brand new opportunity. Okay, you might not get this opportunity if you don't really take any action. Maybe it is difficult for you to come out of your comfort zone. Maybe it was difficult in the past where you didn't open up, and in the present if you repeat the same mistake and everything, it will be a cycle. That's it. It's nothing much. In the near future, there's the Queen of Wands, there is a Devil, there's the Eight of Pentacles. I'm going to clarify the Queen of Wands in the near future. There's a person coming your way. This person is offering you something in the near future. I do see you guys are taking it very seriously. Queen of Wands is clarified by the King of Pentacles. There is Page of Cups. There is Eight of Pentacles. This person is a brand new person, or could be a person who's apologizing you in the near future, Capricorn. Yes, I do see there is a lot of potential. You know this Capricorn already, that yeah, I can go to this person. I can actually, yeah, the way this is, you can see this is you, and this person is offering you an emotional connection. Yes, behind the scenes, you're working towards something very deeply. You are considering, but still you guys are working behind, getting like a behind the scenes. In front of them, you are like, let me take time, or just not interested, giving them a not interested vibe. But behind the scene, what you're doing is working a lot towards the situation. That's what I see here. I'm going to clarify the Devil. I do feel like you're so much obsessed with this person, or this person is so obsessed with you in the near future. Okay, it could be a water sign also, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. The Devil is clarified by the Seven of Swords. There is a Seven of Cups. There is a King of Wands. Yes, this person is waiting for you, Capricorn, in order to know your final decision about them, in order to know what this Capricorn will decide about me, or this person is eagerly waiting for you. You guys are deciding here. I do feel you guys are deciding because with the Seven of Cups, you have a lot of confusions, or you have a lot of options with you, trying to decide something. You guys are, yes, we're making this person to wait, but this person is going out of their patience here. I'm going to clarify the Eight of Pentacles in the near future. You guys are working hard towards a situation, towards a person. What is the result in the near future? Eight of Pentacles is clarified by the Page of Swords, the Nine of Swords. There is a Strength. Could be dealing with a Leo. So here is a message for you, Capricorn. If you really don't work out the situation, maybe this is going to bring the other person very problem. This person is continuously spying on you from a very long time. Why is this Capricorn not taking any action? Maybe you're going through a painful situation. Maybe you're going through some stressful situation, or you're considering this as something big which you couldn't right now. You might not decide. Maybe you couldn't decide. Though this is something big opportunity coming your way. Maybe this opportunity is maybe you are working through yourself here in the near future in order to come out of your stressful situation, your anxiety situation. You guys are taking time in order to first be okay with yourself and then explain the other person how you feel about them. Yeah, you're being strong, you're trying to be strong first in order to let them know how you feel about them. That's what I see here. So advice here for Capricorn for the third week of the August is your commitment is being tested. It's testing you all this week. It's testing you, Capricorn, how Capricorn will react. Will that Capricorn invest? Are you going to invest towards situation? Are you going to take advantage of this opportunity? Are you going to make it very useful? That's what I see here. Okay. That is all I have for the Capricorn people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.